Hey everyone, it's Lily or CoolRiceBunnies. Wow.
And in the Ponca City Blackwell area, 68 degrees today.
Hey everyone, it's Lily or CoolRiceBunnies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been super quiet around here. I literally move in a week from today. Today's video is going to be mostly a room tour. Who knows what else is going to be in this series, but we are about to jump back in time to a couple days earlier in this week. And then we're going to go forward in time to today's date, which it's June 24th. And then we're going to do the room tour. Today is June 18th, Monday. I got done at the gym a little bit ago after work today. Now I am in South Philly at Lowe's. I move into my new apartment on July 1st. I'm moving in with my brother. It's gonna be interesting. I'm excited. There's a car watching me. How do you quantify your life in boxes? Like this? Medium's so much smaller than large. Is this just... I don't know. Gosh, I don't even know what... Hey Google, what's today's date?
It is Sunday, the 24th of June, 2018.
I just got done running some errands. Charlie is hanging out in his little cat house. I donated some extra clothes of mine to Goodwill. I went grocery shopping for my last week here at this apartment. Now I am just here at the apartment. Well, actually, I was gonna say like I'm about to start packing up things, but first things first. I'm like looking for the logo. On the side. I got some Chipotle. So your girl's gonna eat lunch, and then we are going to do a little bit of a room tour so you guys can see where I've been sleeping. That sounds weird. But I just want to show you guys my room before I pack everything away, because I really like my room in this apartment a lot, and it's a lot of memories, and I'm a sentimental person, and I'm gonna miss it. So that's the game plan today. Also, stay tuned for the end of this video, because as I'm packing up, I know that there's going to be a lot of stuff that I don't need anymore, just like a lot of gently used kawaii things and plushies, maybe some craft supplies, and I want to give them away to a lucky viewer of mine. So if you're interested in that, stick around for the rest of the video. I appreciate you clicking on this on my dead YouTube channel and watching this weird moving vlog series. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy. Look how adorable my cat is. All right, I'm gonna eat some lunch and then we're gonna do a room tour. This is the doorway to my bedroom. If you walk in, the first thing you see is my clothing rack. It's kind of super cluttered, but you know, this is me. Let's take a look at this door. Look at this bag, so cute. Shut that door real quick. So now we've got this crazy thing over here, which I'm probably going to get rid of when I move, this little shelving unit. Got a ton of plushies and my snowball microphone that I use for voiceovers as well as singing covers. This is a painting I did with my boyfriend for Valentine's Day at a paint night event. It's super cheesy and corny, but I kind of like that. Now moving on to my not one, but my 2 desk. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I have 2 desks. For someone who doesn't do much, well, I sure have a lot of desks. There's a lot going on here. I've got a lot of pictures of some of my friends and family. These are really old and outdated. I definitely have to get rid of some of them and reprint out new pictures. Some makeup stuff. These are fake flowers because, you know, real flowers, a little bit hard to take care of sometimes. This is really cute. I got this at Target and it's just filled with a bunch of different printed pictures and figurines. You guys probably recognize some things from package opening videos. And then inside my drawers is mostly makeup. So I don't use all of this. I have a pretty simple makeup routine. This is what is supposed to be my craft area, but because it's been a century and a half since I've really crafted consistently, it kind of just sits here, and I don't know. I will do art here sometimes, but it's hard for me to find the time. So, looking at the wall, I have my amazing Pusheen calendar. I've gotten a new Pusheen calendar every year for the past like 3 years, and I'm obsessed. This is my little cork board, some art here that I got for Christmas from my boyfriend, and just like a wide array of just random art and craft supplies. These are all of my old charm boxes that just sit in the corner, and it's really sad, but they're there. My tripods for when I do Instagram live streams, my clay mats, and some of my other supplies here. I'm really not going to go too in depth about all of this stuff. You guys can just kind of see the different materials and things that I have. These are my watercolor supplies, my SLR, paintbrushes and whatnot. I know, super sad because it's just not a space that I use enough, but that's something that I really want to change because I just want to have more time for my hobbies, you know? All right, moving on. So this is a K&H pet product here. It's essentially just this kind of like chair bed thing that suctions up onto a window, and my cat Charlie just jumps right into it and sits in it. I'll put a couple pictures on the screen. It's adorable. All right, moving over from Charlie's corner, we're moving over to my corner, or should I say the center of the room, or should I say my bed, one of my favorite parts of the bedroom. In the summertime, this is the duvet that I have. It's just a white duvet cover with some of this nice embroidery stitching that adds a cute little detail. I've got my plushies here, my adorable little rabbit guy and my sloth. These are both Amuse plushes. They are so stinking cute. The tapestry hanging behind here is from Urban Outfitters. You can get it online, I believe, and it's just got elephants on it, nice black and white pattern, tassels on the edges that give it a nice detail, and then hanging in front of the tapestry are some lights that I got from IKEA. On either side of my bed is this white nightstand. I got it from IKEA, and then on top of the nightstand, I've just got a couple little things. My one line a day journal, and then I have some books here that I am reading. Some fake flowers that I got from AC Moore, along with a vase and some rocks that I filled it with. So the other nightstand over here, same one, IKEA trash can underneath. Another Pusheen little coaster that has the charger for my smartwatch. I have my Echo Dot. She wakes me up in the morning and does other stuff like, Alexa, turn on the bedroom. Okay. Yeah, so my room's a bit of a smart room. Now, moving on to the windowsill that is right next to my bed. So we've got this really cool lamp. I really like it. It's a nice warm light, makes me feel cozy. Over here we have my salt lamp. Got a nice little succulent guy in this mason jar, and then this really cool air plant dude that just sits in this container. And he's been living forever. We have this little shadow box that just has a couple of Polaroid pictures inside, and I really like that. This is just some artwork that I got a couple years ago at Otakon. I really love this artist. I got these picture frames at AC Moore. They were super affordable, really nice, simple, thin black frames. On this wall, I've got this nice little clothing or coat hook that I never use for coats. Instead, I've got my Polaroid camera in its leather case. I've got this little Totoro themed light that my friend Eric got for me, and this old flower crown that I got once upon a time at a Renaissance fair. And then on this windowsill are all of my plant friends. I used to have a lot more plant friends, but they died. There's my full-length mirror. I have this automatic feeder and water fountain for my cat Charlie, which saves me because he doesn't have to wake me up at 5 in the morning anymore to feed him. He gets fed himself. My TV that I've had ever since I've been like living at my parents' house, and it's just been following me everywhere. And then on my makeshift TV stand, which is literally just a table from Walmart. Poor Cake is broken and I have yet to fix her, but she's there. And my polymer clay oven that sits there, not being used, sad face. And this guitar, which is not my guitar. It's actually my boyfriend's guitar, but it's just here so that way when he comes over, we have a guitar to play with. And then my closet, I'm just going to give you guys a quick peek into my closet because, you know, this is what it looks like. That's it. That's all she wrote, ladies and gentlemen. I'm pretty sure that is like the entirety of my room tour. So I don't know, we're gonna just continue this video. I will see you guys in a couple hours after I pack up my room. Alright guys, I am about to leave for work. It's Monday, but I just want to show you like the little progress I made on my room, just packing it up. Taking down all of my artwork, basically like stuff in bags. My one rack is now gone. So is my cubby area. Desks are still a mess, but hopefully I can pack up more after work today. Guys, it's like I'm so out of breath because I'm still finishing up moving out all this stuff, but yeah, the place is almost all moved out of. I think it's like July 12th, so we're almost done. Hey guys, so yeah, this is my new room. I am currently filming from my new bedroom, and it's August now. It's officially August 1st. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And I promised you that, you know, at the end of the video there'd be news or information about a giveaway. So I haven't fully figured it out, but hopefully by the time that like future Lily gets this all whatever, there are some instructions on the screen. My thought process is that I'm gonna have a separate video, a secret video that's unlisted, that will show you all the things that I'm giving away. And then on that video, all the information of the giveaway will be in the description box, etc., etc. So please check that out, and thank you guys so much for watching. I know my upload schedule has been very sporadic. I think I want to have a live stream either on my Instagram account or probably my YouTube channel because I get more viewers there. Kind of just talking about, you know, what I've been up to lately and kind of what I see for this channel. I don't want to give up on art at all. I don't want to give up on crafting. I have all my art stuff actually here next to my desk, and I've been doing art. It's been really nice just like taking time to myself and doing the things that I want to do. And YouTube is one of those things now. Like, I'm not going to get caught up in what people expect of me. I'm trying not to put a lot of pressure on myself with this whole thing, and I really just want to get back in the mindset of my YouTube channel is something that I do because it's something that I do, and it's something that I like doing. And this video was kind of an example of that. I just like edited this video because it was something that I wanted to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Say hi. I miss talking to you guys. And that is it. So yeah. I love you guys. I really appreciate you watching. And I will talk to you later.